Okay, let's clear this row first. Move the next one to the yellow marker.
Careful with this stack.
Keep it coming straight back. Easy now.
Clear on the left, we're set to receive the watermelons.
Check the rind integrity on this one.
Looks good. Moving it forward for juice production.
We have a smooth run on conveyor 3.
Confirmed. Speed remains at optimal levels.
The line is running perfectly. We are maintaining excellent quality.
Line 3 is operating at peak efficiency.
Ensure the labels are aligned correctly before they reach the scanner.
Yes, understood.